Toss. Toss. To lightly mix ingredients together. Toss the salad with olive oil. He tossed the vegetables in a bowl. Gently toss everything together. Wash. Wash. To clean something using water. I wash the vegetables before cooking. Please wash your hands before eating. She washed the fruit carefully. Rinse. Rinse. To wash quickly with clean water. Rinse the rice before boiling it. He rinsed the cup after using it. Always rinse fresh produce with water. Soak. Soak. To leave something in liquid for a period of time. Soak the beans overnight. I soak the clothes in warm water. The vegetables soak to become softer. Peel. Peel. To remove the outer skin of food. Peel the apple before slicing it. She peeled the potatoes slowly. Always peel the orange before eating. Slice. Slice. To cut into thin, flat pieces. Slice the bread evenly. Slice the tomato thinly. Please, slice the carrots for sandwiches. Dice. Dice. To cut food into small cubes. Dice the onion into small pieces. He diced the carrots quickly. Dice the fruit for the salad. Mince. Mince. To cut food into very tiny pieces. Mince the garlic finely. She minced the meat by hand. Mince the herbs for more flavor. Grate. Grate. To rub food against a grater to make small pieces. Grate the cheese on top. He grated fresh ginger. Please grate the lemon peel. Shred. Shred. To tear or cut into long, thin strips. Shred the chicken after cooking. She shredded the cabbage. Shred the paper into small strips. Mix. Mix. To combine ingredients together. Mix all the ingredients well. She mixed the batter slowly. Mix the sauce before serving. Stir. Stir. To move ingredients around with a spoon. Stir the soup gently. He stirred the coffee. Stir until smooth. Whisk. Whisk. To beat ingredients quickly with a whisk or fork. Whisk the eggs until fluffy. She whisked the cream. Whisk the sauce to remove lumps. Shake. Shake. To move something back and forth quickly. Shake the bottle before use. He shook the jar hard. Shake the dressing well. Knead. Knead. To press and fold dough with your hands. Knead the dough for 10 minutes. She kneaded the bread dough. Knead until smooth and soft. Mash. Mash. To crush food into a soft mixture. Mash the potatoes with a fork. He mashed the bananas. Mash until there are no lumps. Crush. Crush. To press something until it breaks. Crush the garlic with a knife. She crushed the spices. Crush the ice carefully. Chop. Chop. To cut into medium-sized pieces. Chop the vegetables roughly. He chopped the onions quickly. Chop the herbs for cooking. Blend. Blend. To mix until completely smooth. Blend the soup until smooth. She blended the fruit. Blend everything together well. Cut. Cut. To divide something using a knife or tool. Cut the cake into pieces. He cut the paper neatly. Cut the vegetables carefully. Thank you for watching. Listen again and repeat to improve your English speaking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and practice every day.